Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So it is day 2 of our winter storm. Right now, this is the calm before storm number 2 hits us. And last night was crazy. We had thunder, lightning, we had freezing rain, and now it's about 33 degrees, which means it's not cold enough to freeze. So everything is starting to melt. But by noon today, it's supposed to drop back down and start snowing again. And then it's going to stay cold for at least a good week. So today we decided we're going to go ahead and keep all the animals inside, except for the dogs. They're out running around. Chickens are staying in. Not letting them out again today because last night was a fiasco trying to get them in. So we're going to go inside, feed all the animals inside the barn, and then head back in. Right now, hubby is sprinkling some corn on all the poops. Because we're not letting the big animals out, that leaves a lot of manure inside these barns. But if you sprinkle a little bit of corn on it, it will encourage the chickens to go in there, spread it around, and that's less of a mess for us. And it's also nutrients for them. The reason we took him out of the barn to begin with is because he was cornering my chickens and eating them. I was losing a lot of chickens. So that's why we moved him outside and kept him out there, because the chickens are able to run away from him. They can't get him that way. So I don't like having him in here, but it is too cold for him to be outside.
Still remember back in the day, first ride in an open sleigh. I was a child, I was the kind who smiled.
Inside this barn we have another group of chickens that have taken up shelter in here. So we've got to bring them some feed as well. So we're not letting these ones out. Oh yeah. All right, farm chores are done for the morning. It is starting to mist. Like I said, around noon, it's supposed to drop down to freezing temperatures again and then start our next round of snow. And then after that, it looks like it's going to stay freezing for about a week. So I'll bring y'all out in a couple hours when the storm starts coming through. All right, it is almost 11 o'clock and it's just now started snowing again. We are going to try to head over to my sister-in-law's house real fast. They live on the other side of the mountain, and drop off some sleds that we have here, because they don't have any, and the kids would probably really enjoy going down their hills on a sled. So we're going to head over there real quick, and I'll video it as we go so you can see how it looks. is about almost 1 o'clock and the snow has started back up and the wind has kicked up as well. The temperatures have dropped, everything has stopped melting, and it's starting to get hard again. Thank goodness, because I was getting worried with all that mud and ice. But it's so pretty. It's a lot brighter than it was yesterday, so it says till about 4 o'clock today we should be having snowstorms. So we will see how it looks in another hour or so. That wind is cold. All right, I'm going back in. Should have done this yesterday, but better late than never. Hubby's gonna go ahead and salt our stairs here because, as you can see, they are rather icy. All right, friends, it's towards the end of the day. It's probably about 4:30 right now. It's gonna start getting dark pretty soon. So I'm gonna go collect the eggs because if I leave them overnight, they will freeze and crack. So we're gonna go do that, check on the animals, make sure they have enough feed, turn off the lights, and lock them down. We've got just light flurries now, nothing crazy, and I really don't expect much more tonight. So day 2 of our storm was very, very mild. I would just say it snowed. No storming, just snow. All right, friends, so that's going to be it for tonight. Nothing more should happen, just some light snow for the remainder of the evening. And come the next week, it's going to stay cold in the freezing temperatures. So this snow will stay for a while, thank goodness. It is very pretty. But no worries of any more snowstorms until next weekend. We have another one coming through, but it's supposed to be small. So friends, I hope you're all safe where you're at. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.